In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your default volume on notifications or sounds on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to control or to regulate the volume of your soundtracks on games or those notifications in your app, go ahead and tap on more here on your account. Then choose settings, and under settings head to device preferences. Here you can see volume here, and it is currently set to 10. So if you want it to be at mediums, you can go ahead and drag this, and you're told this controls the overall sound level of Roblox, which includes menu effects, experience sounds, as well as voice chats. So that's how you can regulate default volume on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.